Forgotten username recovery failed on TransUnion Fix. If your attempts to recover your TransUnion username keep failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because TransUnion now uses your registered email or personal identifiers rather than a traditional username. The surprising truth is that focusing solely on usernames will usually lead to repeated failures. Here's the step-by-step solution. Step 1. Go to the TransUnion login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past emails from TransUnion, such as credit alerts or monthly updates. Step 2. If you can't access your email, be ready to verify your identity. Gather your full name, date of birth, social security number, and any other personal information that can confirm your account ownership. Step 3. If you've forgotten your password as well, select Forgot Password after verifying your email. Follow the instructions sent to your email. Remember to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact TransUnion support. Explain that the forgotten username recovery failed and provide the necessary personal details. Their team will walk you through a secure verification process to regain access. Most users assume they're locked out permanently, but the truth is simple. TransUnion moved away from usernames to streamline login and improve security. Follow these steps, and you'll be back monitoring your credit quickly. Use your registered email, verify your identity when needed, and your TransUnion account will be accessible again without unnecessary hassle.